All right, my friends, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Mission 90 here in the battle box. That's kind of cool. That's a lot of months, right? So obviously you have different subscriptions. You can pick whatever subscription you want. This gets sent to me by Battlbox for free. I did not pay for this. Keep that in mind. So do your own research because $170 is a lot of money, right? You do get the knife for the month and essentially on the most expensive one. But again, that's a lot of money. So make sure you do your own research. So we got a bunch of stuff here. We're going to take a look at it. That's typically what I do. I just take a look at it and I give you some take on it. So, I'll talk about it for a minute, right? So let me put my old man glasses on because I'm 41 and now I can't see and it is what it is. So let's go ahead and jump into this mission 90. There's going to be couple different setups. Like I said, basic, you have your advanced, you have your pro box, and then you have your pro plus box. That knife is really cool, but it's kind of small actually. So let's go ahead and take a look at the first thing. It's going to be the Atwood Roll Mini Dispenser, and you kind of see it right here. I got to get this away from little Manny because Manny loved getting this stuff and he just ruined it, right? He takes him and takes all the rope out and it's not cool at all, right? So you can see right here what we got. I love these little things, right? You could put them inside any backpack or something like that, like survival camping pack or something like that. It says that it's value of $12.99, right? So this is kind of what you got right here. 125 feet, 100-pound test, micro cord dispenser, built-in cutting, which is good. That means you don't have to get a knife. You could just cut it and rip whatever you want. Reloadable and reusable. Again, that's cool because you could reuse that. You could reuse it again. UV resistant. All right, I don't know why, but but it is UV resistant, right? So again, you can use it on all kind of different things. There it is. Let's jump into the second thing, which is, let's go. It's gonna be this Charlotte's Web Custom Camp Organizer. I have no idea. This right here. All right, let's see what this is, right? So let's look for it. All right, so this is kind of what you have right here. So okay, so here's kind of what you have. So obviously you have this strap right here, and you got a couple different carabiners right here that you could organize things. I kind of like this. I feel like you could do something with this. I don't know what, but I feel like you could do definitely something with this. Organize something here in my office or something. I don't know. I'll figure it out. So this is kind of what you have right here. And you can kind of see, all right, you see some of the pictures right here. And it kind of gives you an idea, right? So we'll take a quick look. For a second, I thought it was like a leash for my dog or something. But again, this is kind of what you have right there. And yeah, it says it's rated to 50 pounds. 3 stainless steel alligator hand clicks, perfect for camp clothes. All right, so it's kind of targeting that camping and all that. You can see that that's going to value 22 bucks, 22 bucks. And the last thing is going to be this right here. Let's take it out. One of my kids claimed this already. Somebody claimed it in the house. They were like, me. My kids get excited when I get this bottle box stuff, right? So you can see it right here. Known tipping 10 ounces. And I guess that's kind of cool. Let's open it up if I can, because it's tight. Wow. And this is what you have. All right, so this is pretty standard. Looks really good. I mean, it looks like good quality. It doesn't look cheap or anything like that. You guys saw how much it took me to open it. And then down here, there's something going on down here. Right, there's, okay, dishwasher safe, hand, okay, dishwasher safe, lid, hand washing, do not microwave, right? Okay, I kind of feel like this is like a little rubber. You can see a little rubber right here. So let me just put it. Okay, so you guys can see this. Oh wow. Okay, look at this right here. Okay, that's kind of cool. Okay, I like that. You see this? I'm starting to shake the desk. All right, that's kind of cool. So obviously that sticks, and that's definitely kind of cool, right? So that's gonna be the basic box. That's coming out to $24, and that's gonna be the basic box. Let's jump into the Vans Purity Bag PG combo, 50 bucks. Kind of see it right there. That's what you see. And here's the bag, right? So All right, so you could purify some water. Purify water in quantity 12 package. Okay, it's gonna treat about 10 liters or 2.5 gallons. So here's some of the information right here, right? Battlbox is always sending things to purify water. They really want us to drink good water. So they're always sending that. So that's going to be the Pro box. And we're going to jump into the Pro box, which is this one right here. We kind of have a cool knife. I don't know if, all right, let me see. Yeah, this is going to be everything. All right, so the Pro box is going to have this, which is actually quite interesting. You guys see this? If you're a fisherman, you probably want this. You probably enjoy this. So again, you could kind of open it up. I'm gonna try to do this on camera, and you can kind of see the little legs right there to kind of stay in place. And let's bring it over here. And obviously you could clean some fish right here, right? This looked like heavy duty, really heavy duty. And it also have a place for you to sharpen your knife back here, as you can see, right? So really, really heavy duty. It looks good. It really looks good. So let me move it out of the way because it comes with that. This is going to be the Tollfish Stowaway Fillet system. So it's a whole system, right? So you have the coating board. That's going to be the coating board. It's going to be $106. And then you have the knife right here, right? And let's look at the knife. I actually want to get it out. See if I could get it out. Sometimes when you record these videos in one take, you kind of, try not to edit this video. So, all right. So this is how you get it out. All right. So I was doing it the wrong way. So you got it right here. Let's take this out of the way. And this is kind of what you have right here. Obviously, you have a carabiner kind of style right there. And I'm going to open it up. And wow. There's what you have. Feels good. Economically, it kind of feels okay, right? You can kind of put your finger here. You see my finger right there. A little heavy in the back, probably because of this carabiner. So, I don't know. It doesn't feel bad at all. Feels okay. So, and obviously, if you're going to close it, you press here. And you close it. Here, close. Look right there. This is going to go to somebody. I don't know who yet, but it's going to go to somebody. I don't need this stuff. So, I'm going to give it to somebody. And finally, okay, this comes with that too as well. I don't know what this is. Let's see. Stowaway cord. Okay, this is going to be a new print case. So that's cool. That's going to be a case. But let's go ahead and open the knife of the month, which is going to be Summit knife. And again, really cool knife. It's just, I don't know. It's just kind of small, but really, really cool knife. Let's open it up right here and give you guys a good look. Look at that. This thing is sexy. This thing is nice. This thing is just really nice. Look at that. I mean, talk about this. Wow, that's pretty. Ooh. I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's a good size for your everyday carry kind of knife. Something that you're going to carry every single day and, put it in your pocket and all that. A little bit too small for me. I wish it would have been just a little tiny bigger. But again, the designs are good. You see the jimping right here. You see the gold. Oh, the gold collar in the inside, the studs. I mean, you see this right here. I mean, this is a lot of details. Even the hardware and all that. It looks really, really good. Let me see if I know what kind of steel it is. So, all right. So it's going to be a 2.57 or 275-inch VG10 steel, which is definitely really, really good. Carbon fiber scales, brass color hardware, and the whole knife is going to be 6.75. I mean, this thing is gorgeous. This thing is truly gorgeous. Take a look right there. This thing is truly gorgeous. Wow, what a beautiful knife, right? What a beautiful knife. Feels good. You see some of the things. I mean, yeah, it feels really good. I like it. I dig it. I dig this knife, guys. I dig it. Let me show it to you guys from here. I really, really dig it. I think it's beautiful. Somebody's going to probably get that as well. So again, that's going to be the Battlbox Mission 90. Big shout out to Battlbox for sending this here to the channel for me to show it to you guys. We definitely appreciate that. I appreciate you. Stay tuned for more videos. And as always, God is in control.